Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to cancel HBO Max subscription on iPhone. So in order to do this, simply open your iPhone and click on the settings icon on your home page. Now this will take you to settings where you'll have to just click on your name available in the just below the search icon. Now when you click on your name, it will open up this page. So this is Apple ID's page under settings. You will see your name, phone number, email, password and security, payment and shipping, and just below it, you will see subscriptions. So click on this subscription button and it will take you to your subscriptions page. Now you will see all your active subscriptions and inactive subscriptions and other options at the bottom. So I have two active subscription. Now as you can see, I have HBO Max subscription just right here. I'll have to just click on HBO Max icon and it will take me to another page. Now on this page you can see I have my HBO Max plan details and it will also show when this is going to renew. So you have the cancel subscription button just right here in the red color. So click on this cancel subscription button and it will ask you for the confirmation. So if you confirm and end your subscription now, you'll still have access to the subscription until this date. So if you're sure about canceling your subscription, click on the confirm icon and that will instantly cancel your subscription for HBO Max on iPhone. So that is the simple way through which you can cancel HBO Max subscription on iPhone. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.